Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Do Metal Stuff. In today's video I'm gonna show you the point that I'm at the moment with the slow grinding, slow lapping wheel, slow rotating lapping wheel, and I will show you how the thing works. So let's go. So I made some new parts for my lapping machine, and I want to install them and see where I'm at this moment, if I can run this thing, or I do need to replace some stuff. I ordered up some lapping discs. I thought they were arriving within 5 days, but it took 3 weeks. So finally got those. Got one of 600 grit, 800 grit, 1200 grit, and 3000 grit. Let's take one out so you can see what this is. As you can see, made in China. At least I expect these Chinese writings. This is the 3000 grit, and it will be mounted on here so I can lap my scraping bits. Yeah, I don't get how those Chinese people get this stuff in here. Okay, just leave it. Now, I made up this block, put on 4 holes, and the holes for the shaft to go through here. And I made this nice piece of shaft. And if I did my calculations right, this is a nice sliding fit. And indeed, it fits. So that's a win. Now I want to mount this block on this piece of iron. I have a lot of those things because I was back in the day putting down balcony fences, so I have left over a few of these. As you can see, here's another one, and I've got a bucket of those things. So yeah, why make new if you already have some? And it looks pretty flimsy, but it's pretty sturdy. So this is gonna be my mounting place for my aluminum block. I need to draw up those holes and then drill 4 new holes in this thing. This hole pattern I've drawn up here, as you can see. Center punch the lines where the holes need to be. So now I'm gonna drill this, and if that's done, I will bring you back. Drilled the 4 holes, chamfered everything. So now it's turn for the block to be mounted, and I'm guessing I'm gonna do it on top of here. So I've got a little bit more height between the big aluminium wheel and this surface. So I need 4 bolts and 4 washers. So little mistake were made. As you can see, I try to set these good, those are not in the correct place. So stupid hand drilling. It fits. Let's go on. My little axles, armbar, nice tight fit. So a ring and a nut. Keep this in place. Zo. Zo. And then I've got some magnets. I will still use them. Here are 3, and I have one more over here. Full of chips. Ouch. Yeah. Feisty little fellas. Some neodymium magnets. They are prone to bite. Yeah, they fit. With my Loctite glue. Let's clean those holes. Clean the magnets. One by one. If I can separate them. Damn, these things are strong. This is how strong they are. A little tap will do. Here, here, and here. And now to keep them flush at the surface, I need some piece of metal. So let this dry for a while, and when they are stuck in the aluminium backplate, I will mount this thing. So let's mount this disc on here. And now this belt. Stay. It's not a one-handed job, so wait a moment. Let's put this washer in front for a while. Let's see if the belt will stay or I need to realign stuff. It's working. That's nice. The magnets work. Well, I made this big washer with a little step on there, as you can see. This step will fit in this hole. It will not move. And now this is gonna be mounted on here. And I hope I don't need Okay. I messed it up. Why? This should have clearance, but I don't know why it's getting stuck. I do know. Because I'm not so smart by clamping here. I clamped the whole thing. So let's go test this thing anyway. Spin up for a while. Put down this drill bit thingy again. As you can see, I have removed the drill sharp edge. This thing. Pretty hard to get this. This thing I removed on the other side. It's now flat. Now I'm gonna try and polish this thing. I fixed my problem. I went to the drawer of lots of stuff and I found this little bearing. It's not a great solution, but hey, it works. So now this thing is kept in place with this big washer, and the outer ring is pressing against this washer. The bolt is pressing against the inner ring. It's not the best solution. For now, this is working. Gonna refit this onto this subframe, this piece of material, tube material. So let's figure out where the holes need to go. So here it is, my final assembly. Mounted the motor back on its original motor plate, but flipped it around. and I had another motor plate for another motor, and there I built this thing on, as you can see. So I didn't have any height enough, so I put down 2 pieces of dead tree carcasses, and now I'm sort of kind of in the middle of my lapping wheel. So let's see how this thing works. So you saw me use this piece in one of the latest videos, or I was talking about it anyway. And you know, this is was a drill bit, and as you can see, I have removed this sharp edge on this side, but now I need to hold this thing pretty stick. So I glued it on a stick to make this surface less stick. As you can see here, focus. It's pretty stick. So I need to lower this angle over this plane, and that is what I'm gonna show you how I did it, and that's why it's on a stick. Just super glued it on, and I can tap it off easy if when I am done. So let's go to my slow going lapping wheel, and I already put on the 600 grit, the most coarse one I have got. And let's reduce this surface so it's touching this edge over here. So here is my scraping blade on the stick, and now I'm gonna make this surface flat, because I did tried it and make an angle on it, but I need to make it flat. So let's see. This is the 600 grit diamond blade, and I will spray the thing in with some lubrication, and then we're gonna grind this a little bit down. So I will spray the thing in with some lubrication, and then we'll lap this to a straight surface. So let's go. I'm almost there. As you can see, there's still a little line across here. So I started off with something that looked like this. It's on an angle, as you can see, and there are 2 steps in the backside, on the backside, and this is the end result. Those steps are gone. It's almost flat. As you can see, there's a little corner left, but that's not what I'm using. And here in the front, it's nice and sharp edge. So if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. and hit the bell for extra notifications. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.